How's it going, team? I hope you're doing fantastic as usual. Thank you for being back once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate push button, or as it's better known in the streets, your trunk lid handle. Let's go. Almost every video on YouTube will tell you to start by opening your lift gate and then removing the inner liner, which includes taking off all of these clips and then taking this whole piece down. I'm going to show you how to do this today with just a simple plastic pick tool. If you don't have one of these, you can even use a screwdriver. But if you go that route, make sure you have some tape handy, as you want to tape around here so that you don't scratch any of your nice paint. Carefully find the place where you can insert your tool and pry out. It should literally come out like this, guys. Disconnect the power cable here. You can just pull on it. It should come right out. I'm replacing this one because BMW decided to make this piece out of bubble gum. You know, the type that you find under your bus seat. Still malleable enough, but you know, it doesn't withstand the test of time or heat like any bubblegum would. So, you know, it's just falling apart, making a mess. And if you have the same thing on your car, you're gonna have to end up cleaning the liftgate. Just use something non-abrasive. In my case, I'm just gonna use a little bit of glass cleaner and that should do the trick. And enjoy that brand new tar feel for years to come. Test to make sure the trunk opens, and you're all done. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below, consider subscribing, or even better yet, hit that thanks button under the video. I will see you on the next one, but until then, be good to each other.